Boom Languages is a language learning app that is in active development. If you want to try it out, head over to boomlanguages.com. Hey, how's it going? So I wanted to do a quick devlog for Boom Languages, which is a language learning app that I've been working on since November of 2020. So, 8 or 9 months now. I took like the last 3 or 4 months off from working on it because I just got completely frustrated with it. I didn't want to ever look at it again because I had spent so many hours. I spent 200 hours from November to like March getting the first version out on the App Store, paid for, available worldwide. So there's that. But after that I was sick of it. Right now I'm jumping back to it, and I just wanted to make an update and try this whole devlog thing out. So I've actually never made a video about this before, but this is a Flutter application, so I can deploy to Android, iOS, web, all from one code base. On the back end we have Ruby on Rails. Whole lots of fun there. Recently I added Docker Compose so that I can have my Compose environment instead of having to reinstall everything every time I change computers. And also, it matches my deployment environment too, which is great. It's deployed on AWS. So, that's all fine and good. Recently, my friend joined the Air Force, and he's going to go into a language learning program. I'm pumped about that, and I want to have this app ready for him to use as he goes through this process of learning his target language. I figure it's a great opportunity to get some feedback on the app so far. So this doesn't look too different from the Boom Languages that you would see at boomlanguages.com right now, which is version 1.3 or something like that. But you log in, and not only is the dashboard redesigned, which is not public yet, but you have 2 new buttons. That's what I added today. Today, for like 5 hours after work, actually a little more than 5 hours, I was just messing with this code base again, trying to get it up and running. I started trying to add the ability to log in with Google, but decided that wasn't really essential. I added this instead. So here's the new feature of the day. You can add a word, and you type in the foreign word, which whatever, and then you type in the native word. So it's like if you're adding a flashcard, you just learned something new, you want to remember it, you add your word, you hit save, and then you can go back to my words, and they're all there. But of course they're nonsense words from when I was testing this. And there's also, it doesn't display anything of value here, but you can see that it's inserted into the database. You can see all the database transactions happening in the background here, and it's spitting it back out at us. So I think I'll make this a little bit prettier when I get a chance today or tomorrow. And then I want to add the ability to, and this should say a number, not n. N is in like n equals 0, n equals, in this case, probably like 7 or 8. It'll say like review, 10 words due or whatever. This is similar to Anki, if you've ever used that before, the flashcard software, but I want this to be geared specifically towards language learning and to have a whole bunch of enhancements to help you along the way. More on that soon, but yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, the old features are still here. The quizzes, whoops, I actually didn't load that yet, but the quizzes function, it's really not the best. It's crap. So I'm moving on to this new concept. I might leverage this quizzes code, but for now, I'm really focused on this whole adding words as you learn them, and how can we show those words back to the person at the right time, and how can we enhance that experience. So that's really all I got for this. Hopefully it's enjoyable, and I just wanted to record this for, if nobody else, for my own memory of where I was at on the 21st of July. Maybe I'll drop this project next week, but it's where I'm at now. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed, and thanks a bunch. If you want to download Boom Languages, you can go to boomlanguages.com, and it will take you to this page where you have the download for Google Play if you're an Android person, App Store if you're on iPhone, or if you're really not feeling downloading an app, you can get to the live version right in your browser, and it'll take you to app.boomlanguages.com, and you can log in. So check it out, and yeah, thank you. See ya.